Here is a cartoon which is present in page number 85 of your chapter, and as you can see, here are a group of people who are standing in front of the election commission officer. Okay, and the person who is standing in an election or who is contesting an election, she is giving her petition or all the records which she have, that means properties, how much money she have, what are the different types of lands which she have, how many gold, silver, different types of ornaments she have in her house. All the documents and all the information are given over here, and as you can see, 50 crores properties belong to her. So, and the election commissioner is surprised. Okay, so it shows how a person in India is filling his nomination as a candidate in election to the Election Commission of India. It is now mandatory to show your assets in an affidavit before election. The woman is shown to mention 50 crores as her asset, and officer is surprised to see that. He is seen asking her if she has so much money, why she is even contesting the election, as a politician in India tends to get corrupted and make money except for doing well for people. So this is all about the procedure which is being ordered by the Supreme Court of our India, that every candidate who is contesting an Lok Sabha election or the election at the state level, he or she have to submit their you can say documents in an affidavit to the Election Commission of India. And why it is done so? Because the Election Commission of India wants to know how many assets or how many properties he or she have. So in this picture, the Commissioner of India, he is asking to this candidate that if you have 50 crores of asset or property, then why are you contesting election? So the main reason for contesting election is that to enter in the politics, and by using the corrupt measure earn as number of money, because she already have 50 crores, why she need more money, right? So this is you can say a dirty part or drawbacks in of the political parties in any democratic country.